In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Salesforce Authenticator, which is a crucial skill if you're managing multiple devices or just need a fresh start. Let's dive into the process so you can get back to business smoothly, and we'll do this in under 5 minutes. First, you need to go to the Salesforce website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process goes smoothly without any interruptions. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, take a look at the top right corner. Here, you should hover over the login option. It's important to make sure you're in the right place so you can access your Salesforce account seamlessly. Next, click on the Salesforce option from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to the login page where you can input your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, make sure you reset it beforehand to avoid any hiccups in logging in. So go ahead and log into your Salesforce account using your usual credentials. After successfully logging in while still on the main page, locate your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on this icon to reveal a list of options. Doing so will ensure that you're headed in the right direction towards resetting your authenticator. Now from the list that appears, click on the settings option. Patience is key here, as depending on your network speed, it might take a moment for the page to load fully. Once the settings page is open and fully loaded, we're going to focus on finding the advanced user details section. Click on this section and you'll find yourself faced with even more options. Here, your goal is to find the Salesforce Authenticator section. Getting familiar with these different settings pages helps, especially if you're managing this for an entire team. Within the Salesforce Authenticator section, you'll see an option that says Disconnect. Clicking on Disconnect will reset the connection between your Salesforce account and the Authenticator app. Be sure that this is what you want to do, as this action will remove the current setup, allowing you to create a new, fresh connection when the need arises. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to resetting the Salesforce Authenticator. Remember, keeping your systems updated and cleanly connected is important for hassle-free operation. Make sure to reconnect the Authenticator app afterwards, following Salesforce's instructions to regain secured access to your account. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Salesforce support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tutorials.